Hello folks, Wes here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a Porsche GT3 RS. Beautiful machine, local customer. It's got the factory system. He was interested in having Apple CarPlay, and choice was to add it to the original system or add it to the KENWOOD unit. We've decided to go for the KENWOOD unit purely because it's just the latest digital Wi-Fi. Everything is just perfect, so when we press it we get a very good resolution picture compared to the original unit that's a few years old. So now he's got Android or Apple. In this case it's Apple. It's got USB video. It's also got DAB and Bluetooth if required, an FM radio, and the option to add a reverse camera and a HDMI for a Fire Stick. So for a fraction of the cost, he's got something that's absolutely awesome. The way we've done it, we've used an ACV fitting kit, and this has then allowed us to restore the car at any time, because these cars are going up in value. So when the customer decides to sell it and probably get more than he paid for, we can restore it to the original and the car is of original value. Alternatively, you've still got this option to give to the newer owner, and he's got best of both worlds. Thank you for watching. We're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme, and this will now come with a 3-year warranty, and we're based in Cardiff. Thank you.